Yes guys, welcome back to another video. So if you've seen my POV video, you'll have seen that I went to get an exhaust, a spoon and one exhaust. So I'm getting it put on by A&M Exhausts, based in Blackburn. I messaged him a few days ago. He said yeah, come down, and he's putting it on for me. I've done a lot of exhaust work from him before, so I know he's good at what he does. If you can see right there, that's my mate's Nissan Primera. I'll give you a walk around of that. But yeah, I'll show you the process of what he does with my exhaust. It's just a spoon and one back box, so it's the rather than my custom back box, I put an OEM one on. Yeah, so he's good at what he does. Everyone in Blackburn goes to him. If you're from Blackburn or local Blackburn, come down, he'll sort you out. Message him on Facebook. I'll put his details on the screen or in the description below. And yeah, check him out guys. So this is my mate's Nissan Primera, I think. Nismo. I'm gonna try and get this on the channel at some point. It's catching a lot of, not rust, but dirt and dust. Very nice, you don't see many of these nowadays. But yeah. See me, let me know man, let's get this on the channel. Call it gigs, look at them play gigs.
That's yours as well.
Oh, is it mine? Cheers, Arek. Well, yeah, like I said, any work, come down to A&M and see I sent you if you look after you. Good on prices, he's quick as well. We've got that Peugeot going in next. That will be on the channel very soon. Got a review coming on that. But yeah, I love it, this sounds fat. Go on, Josh. You're pressing the brake. Hold it down. Yeah, man. Nice one, Arek. Like I said, if you want any work, message Arek.
No.
And we need to get some sort of discount. I'll sort out with Arek.
It goes up now.
But yeah, I'll put a picture of his
Coronavirus person. COVID-19.
Cheers, Arek. But yeah, take it easy, guys. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Saka